Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you Kling AI video demo, new text to video generator. So let's get started. So here we are in the website of Kling AI, or you could just copy this link right here that I have. It's kling.kuaishu.com, and then from here you'd be prompted to this page, and normally it would be in simplified Chinese right here, but you would need the Google Translate for this so that you could translate the website into English so that you can understand that if you cannot understand Chinese. So from here, you will be greeted with the samples of Kling AI right here. This is made by AI and so on. And then you can also see the prompt right here that was used in making this video right there. So yeah, as you can see, it's a very good right here, and it's high definition right here. This is a parrot. It seems very realistic right here, and when you scroll down you can see more of it. So Kling AI is a video generation model developed by Kuaishu big model team and so on. So you would have more samples right here, just like this one, this cat that is driving a car, even this boy right here eating a burger, which is very realistic right here, and so on. And you can also have this photo right here that you can make the photo dance right here, the subject. As you can see, you have the photo right here, and you have the template action on which the photo would mimic. So let's say we want this one right here. As you can see, this is how it would mimic the template action, and this is the photo subject right here. And yeah, this is one of the features of Kling AI, so you can do it right here. And as you can see right here, we have more samples. And for those of you asking on how you can use Kling AI, it's very simple. All you have to do is basically scroll all the way up again, and then you would have this button right here. It says try now. So all you have to do basically is click on that, and then from here all you have to do is scan this QR code right here, and then you would be taken into the app store to download this app, and then just simply follow these instructions right here. Open the app right here and jump to the AI tool list through an entrance, and then lastly apply experience and submit your information to the queue list. So you would need to be in the queue list first, because Kling AI has just been launched or revealed to the public, so it might take some time after it's not in the queue anymore. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.